Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. I'm here with another TTDEYEN contact lenses haul, and today I'm going to be showing you guys some of their brown colored lenses. I decided to film during the daytime, but the sun wasn't really facing towards my house, nor was it staying up. But however, I still wanted to show you guys the visuals of what the lenses would look like during the day. The first pair I'm going to be trying on is the Fuji Brown. This lens in particular is made up of 3 tones: brown, black, and yellow. This is what the lens looked like up close and personal, and I love how realistic these lenses look. Like, no one can tell me that these are not my real eyes. Anyway, the color payoff is definitely giving me like a minty gray green type of color. Y'all, these are one of my favorite colored contact lenses. Definitely ones I will be gravitating towards everyday wear. Okay, I'm gonna wear the heck out of these. The next pair I'm going to be trying on is the Fuji Brown, and these lenses in particular are made up of 2 tones, black and brown, and it also has a daisy flower printed on it. These are what the lenses look like up close, and as you guys can see, it's still giving us HD, it's still giving us realistic vibes, but y'all know it wouldn't be realistic because of the print. However, I feel like the color payoff is definitely giving me 2-tone olive, like an olive green. I love it. And as you guys can see far away, you cannot see that print. I would definitely gravitate towards this pair of contacts if I want to spice up my look and just to be a little extra. So the next contact lens we do have is the Himalaya Brown. This contact lens in particular is made up of 3 tones: black, brown, and yellow. These lenses, y'all, another one of my favorites. Look how realistic this lens look. Now I'm trying to figure out the color that I would say it is. I don't know if that ring around it is like green. I don't know, but these contacts are beautiful. They giving me, I feel exotic in these contacts, y'all. These are another one of my faves. Definitely, I love them. The next lens we have is the Crystal Ball Brown 2. This lens is made up of 1 tone, which is the color brown. Now these on me, okay, the color is pretty. It's definitely giving me like a cream type of color payoff. Definitely cream. I wouldn't say they look realistic. I say they look like contacts. If I wanted to look like a snake any day, if I'm feeling different, I would definitely go for these. These are pretty contacts. I just don't feel like they mesh well with me. They just giving me snake vibes. The next color I do have is the HD Brownest color contact, and it is made up of 1 tone, which is brown. Now these babies here are nice and subtle. They're actually giving me a color payoff of gray, like a rich, deep gray. If you're going for something subtle and you just want a little thing, something for your eyes to pop, I definitely would recommend these. Look how subtle they look. They're not doing too much. They're not like saying come here, okay, but they're just doing enough, to spruce up your look a little bit. I really love these contacts as well. The next color we have are the Polar Lights Brown color contacts, and these are made up of, I think, 1 tone as well, brown. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful these look. This should have been the definition of you cannot tell me these are not my eyes. These right here will do it. If you want to be fooling people out in these streets, y'all gotta try this. Y'all gotta get this color. This, oh my God, y'all. Okay, let me be quiet because they look beautiful. Okay, they I have no words. Okay, favorite pair. This is my number one. Okay, y'all did the dang thing with this color. I had to run it back. I had to run that back. Look at these. So, Fuji Brown. I think that's how I'm saying it. Is this the last one? No, Amber's the last one. But anyway, these contacts are made up of 2 tones. Boom, bam. These are so pretty. It's definitely giving me like a grayish, olivey, greeny. I don't know how to describe it, y'all, but look how beautiful these lenses look. These are super pretty. And as you guys can see, when I'm moving my eyes around, the contacts are not moving, okay? They're not moving. These are pretty. I love these too. All right, y'all, and last but not least, this is Amber Brown. This is made up of, I think, 1 tone. All right, guys, so this is what these look like. These are a true brown, okay? This is like, I see you, I don't see you, but I know you got brown eyes. Look at that. That is so pretty. Simple, true brown, and I loved it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know which pair was your favorite. I'll have all the information to each contact listed down below, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. And until my next one, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.